So I figured, while I'm at it, adjusting carburetors, let's adjust the carburetor on the Chinese clone chainsaw of awesomeness. Oh, man. Oh. Okay. Choke her out. Turn her on. Running a lot better. So let's bring you guys in and I'll show you which hole I turn, or which screw I turn. So not that one, this one. Oh, there we go, I'm on the screw now. So it seems to rev up good. Well, that's pretty good for me. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. It wasn't very difficult to adjust the carb on this Chinese chainsaw. The screws don't line up with the holes. But it's the middle hole that you use to adjust the low, or the idle of the saw. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.